Welcome to PHOTOPLAY Paper. I'm Amy Sonneman, and today I'd like to share with you the Festival of Lights collection. This collection includes 4 beautiful papers as well as a bonus sheet on the back of the cover sheet in your collection kit. Let me show you how beautiful that piece of paper is. It includes the menorah as well as the Star of David. The next paper in this collection is called Shalom. It includes a dreidel, a dove with the olive branch, the menorah, and so many more icons symbolic to the Jewish faith. The back of that paper celebrates the Festival of Lights with a beautiful navy background and lovely candles. This is the 8 Nights paper. It features different styles of the beautiful menorah, as well as the Star of David on a light blue background. The back side of this paper includes a beautiful stripe that includes all of the colors in the collection, including yellow, navy, royal, and white. This paper is called Menorah. It features the beautiful Star of David with the menorah nested inside. The back of this paper is a beautiful yellow that includes a subtle Star of David nested in the background. The last paper in this collection is called Love and Light, and it includes both 4x6 and 3x4 cut-aparts, including titles, journaling spots, perfect for celebrating the Jewish Festival of Lights. The back of this paper includes a beautiful wood grain that mixes and matches beautifully with all of the papers in this collection. The papers in this collection would be perfect for cards, mini albums, scrapbook layouts, as well as pocket page scrapbooking. Thanks for watching. Shalom. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share, and leave a message.